So now think of your overall marketing budget and how much you're going to spend. One key I can give you that you should do is you should almost work backwards. So determine how much you can budget to spend on marketing. Let's say it's $100,000. We've moved up in dollar value. Well, what do you want out of return for that $100,000? Do you want $300,000 in sales, 400, a million, whatever the case might be? And you're going to have to research your own metrics on what's sort of appropriate for your industry and for the marketing methods that you're going to employ. Different methods have different rates of return on them. So whatever that benchmark is, you need to set that. So if you have your $100,000 marketing budget, you can also then work backwards into, well, what can you spend it on and how much do you expect to get from that? How much, if your cost per, click is 10 cents, well, how many clicks are you going to get if you spent that entire $100,000 on just internet, click marketing? And how much of that click do you expect to convert, and what does that turn into for dollars? And then it becomes a whole exercise in, well, how do you allocate that marketing budget? 2 different avenues. What are your expected, return? Yeah, how much are you going to spend per click, per website visitor, per phone call? Basically, your cost of acquisition of a customer. What are you going to be spending? What's that customer worth to you? And at the end of the day, does it make financial sense to go down that avenue, or should you be focusing some of that marketing money on other avenues as well? So, but my first bit of advice to you is just start with your overall marketing budget. From there, you can figure out your metrics, and does it make sense? And is it going to get you the results that you really want?